Hello guys! So it is Saturday evening and nasa bahay lang tayo. And right now we'll make a simple cocktail. So what I have is cranberry juice, calamansi juice, lychee soda which I got from KKV. It's a new store meron sa Gateway. And our rum, and I'll be using our very own Tanduay. Okay, let's start. First, let's get your shaker. Okay, then let's pour our rum. For the rum, let's put 45 ml. Okay. Tada. And if you want a little bit stronger, pwede natin dagdagan. Then next, let's get our calamansi juice. So this is very strong kasi freshly squeezed. Kanina ko lang to piniga. Lagay tayo ng around mga 20 ml lang. Para nandun yung asim ng kalamansi. Okay. Next, let's pour our juice. Our cranberry juice. Lagay tayo ng mga 90 ml. It is 45. There you go. So, nandyan ang ating rum, calamansi juice, and our cranberry juice. For the lychee soda, gagamitin natin yan later. We'll put it on top. Kasi yun yung ating sparkling or ating bubbles. Then, let's put ice on our shaker. Okay, I think that's enough. Then let's shake that thing. Yan, malapit na. Okay, I think this is done. Let's add the rest of our ice on our glass. Tayong 4 na ice cube dito. Okay. Then let's pour our shaken mixture. Sama na natin yung ice. There you go. Tapos, lagay na natin ang ating lychee soda. Okay, let's pour it. Favorite ko ito yung bagong favorite na soda ngayon sa KKV. Ko lang nalaman ang sekreto. Ayan. Unfortunately, wala tayong lychee to garnish it up. But meron naman tayong calamansi. And let's put a touch of mint. Para maganda naman ang ating presentation ng ating cocktail for today. Ayan. And straw. There you go. And that's it. Our cranberry lychee rum cocktail. So, let's make a name for it. Kasi, ayun, pwedeng crunchy. Okay, I'll name this crunchy cocktail. So, you have the crunchy cocktail. So, it's a mixture of rum, cranberry juice, calamansi juice, and lychee soda. Okay, let's try it. Refreshing pang Sabado na pang Sabado. Wow. I think I'll add more rum into it. Para pampatulog. Okay, guys, see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye!